I have a deck. I have a deck. Deck.
Hey guys, the gift just arrived. You guys already know that I have a few Japanese friends in Japan and I play a lot of games with them. And because of that, I am currently learning a little bit of Japanese. So my friend Hiro, a few days ago, he texted me and told me that he wanted to send me a gift. And the gift just arrived today. And while sending me the gift, he was constantly sending me videos and pictures of where the package is at. Let me show you. These are the papers that came with the package. I think this is the tax that I had to pay. And this is the main paper. See, like all Japanese. I don't even understand what this says, but yeah, Japanese. And here is my home location. And here, as you can see, right over here, Hiroyuki Takada. So that's my friend, and yeah, he sent me this package. And the package is this one. It's a huge hefty package, not gonna lie. So yeah, the postcard of Japan. Let's just see what he said. And we have it. And he also sent me this video.
Yeah. Woo! 超かっこいいよ。The Bkash my face. Material is hard rubber. Hard rubber. かっこいい。Very cool. こっちも同じね。よいしょ。I have a deck. I have a deck. Deck. かっこいいよマジでいい Good Very cool いいよめちゃくちゃかっこいいよこれ
This is so cool. Dude, I am so hyped. So if you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of My Hero Academia. This is all my dude. You cannot get anything more authentic than this. You guys already know who this is. Oh my god. Deku! We have All Might. We have Deku. We have My Hero Academia. Actually goes to their feet, I guess. What is gonna go here? This is freakishly insane. This is actually the best gift I've ever gotten in my life. And this cannot get more authentic than this. Straight out of Japan. My friend literally sent it to me from his own hands. This probably costs a lot. And I don't know if this authentic product is here in Bangladesh yet. Hiro, arigatou gozaimasu. これは誰にとっても最高の贈り物です. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.